Hi guys, welcome back to Binary Brain Lab. If you are planning to become a Java full stack developer, crack product based companies interviews, or build enterprise applications using Spring Boot, then this series is for you. But before write off a single Spring Boot code, let me ask you one question. Can you build the first floor of a house without the strong foundation? Obviously, the answer is no. The same rule applies in the programming. Today, many students directly start learning Spring Boot by watching CRUD projects. They copy the code, complete the project, feel confident. But the moment they attend an interview, they struggle to answer simple questions like what is JVM, what is JDK, JRE, why Java platform is independent, what actually happens when we run Java program. Without this fundamental understanding, Spring Boot becomes difficult because Spring Boot is built completely on top of Java. So in this prerequisite series, we will first master every important concept required before the Spring Boot. By the end of this series, you will have a solid understanding of core Java collections, expression handling, SQL, JDBC, Maven, and the tools used for the Spring Boot. So if you are seriously about becoming a Java full stack developer, don't skip any video in this playlist. Now let's begin to our first topic of core Java. So here is complete roadmap prerequisites for learning our Java full stack. First, we should know a little about Java, and Java is nothing but object-oriented programming. We should be clear in the OOPS concept, collections, then exception handling. And this Maven and Gradle, all these two are automation tools which will be used for the Spring Boot, and we are going to handle with Maven. As beginner, it is easy to use. Gradle also it is not for beginners. So we are going to use in the Maven, and later we can connect with JDBC and SQL. This Hibernate will be useful to write Java code which is completely converted into the SQL. We will be more discussion in the further videos about the Hibernates. And JPA Spring Boot, Spring Data JPA stands for Java Persistence API, which will be introduction, which introduce later, and Spring Web framework and Spring Boot. And we can use any IDE which we like. We are going to use in this series VS Code. So here you should recap. Just I will tell the concepts. You should recap it. Wherever possible. You can search in different platforms and learn this. So these are basic to important for our further videos. So learn Java difference between JDK, JRE, JVM, and clear will be understanding about all the OOPS concept. The four pillars of the OOPS concept you should be clearly understand. And collections. Here is just there are definitions only. You should read it once, and the PDF description, the link of the PDF I will be provided in the description. Just read it, and if you know clearly understand what are the by seeing any other videos, clearly understand, because we are going to discuss on the in this series we are working on the Spring Boot only, not Java. And we also learn React also. For front end we are going to use React, and exception handling in the Java. And it is important for database connection, which is SQL. You should know clear how to connect JDBC with MySQL. So this SQL queries, you should be familiar with SQL. And for the automation tools, we going to use Maven. You don't need Gradle. We are working on doing to Maven only. So here is clear introduction, and ORM, object relation model. So JPA, it is a Java Persistent API, and also known as Jakarta Persistent API will be used here. So these are the prerequisites which we need to understand, and basics of HTML and React. You should be good in the React also, because front end part we are doing with React, and as a part we should be working on the VS Code for coding, and we should be familiar with the XML and JSON also. And environment ID, Intellex, there are many tools for Eclipse, but we are going to use here VS Code. Please be installed in it. And framework architecture. So this is the overall our course completion, where we first work with Java fundamentals, OOP concepts, collections, frameworks, and later going to the JDBC, MySQL, and which will be open platform which we use for Maven and Hibernate. Then we are deep into the core micro points of the microservices of MySQL, and we are dealing with this season. We are dealing with the Spring 6, and we should note that you should be installed your Java versions, which is JDK version of above 17, because Spring 6 will be work about 17 or above versions only. Please check it. Further videos, please do subscribe our Binary Brain Lab. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to Binary Brain Lab. Turn on notifications will be so you don't miss the next lesson. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next part of the video. Thank you. Happy coding.